no bekasa no mo se mo kromfo no ma ne em bekasa wo ba ya de ayenim dada na no san beka wa ma ye solution ba kopo say papa we aba bekasa adan na mekwa bie me store na menya customers be 10 bi at least menya me dan ka free mu no me kodi Martin Kpabu o parliamentarian na year di na nkam de ne budget ne to a da me page no so by the way edu akodi ska free mahama ho yes akodi ska e de free mahama ho say what they call demonstration to Odike say yen no trade minister na wa lunch remante wo ho a na Odike wo say what the party for abeka MPP for winti no yen your trade minister Odike akwasi Odike wo Odike na kwa me kura pewabo na kwa me ono Canada ha no wo o se dem UBG no ho so ono ne secretary say ono nam Canada ha ono kura pewabo Odike ana Ghana for say yes it is true ni amemo ayeden yes it is true say ni amemo ayeden but the man we were expecting to talk to us no ne ya bekasa na wakasa ye man the time enti ye de ye bekọ den ye bekọ ye adwuma na yakoso aye adwuma na ya hwese ni amani be den be sesa aden na menko she t-shirt emeye demonstration why no start here everybody please come out there is 65% interest that the people not want a so please come out everybody I don't have a neck but come out me call but say ote ho na o say me de me nya bi ndiye inti yempam obi na me medibi papa we de on release ska inti yempam no obi medibi na obe put that ahead of the country's service interest me kwesi apia ya de Dominic kubet mi asere na meboa na nenu ama meboa sabi enye free education e ba ya anka eyi sabi eyi girls ya wo mu hu wayi o man pele na nso oban ni ade anka ye de o mu gina dentuom ebi mu kura wuram ne ebi e mango asiri na ye ni won ade enya Ghana na minyini ye mfa ya nkwa hwede mfom ni na nkodi ye but we young girl fine girl anko wo future pa na ne nyem ya de anya ya de ya koko na gini ni na ewu na oni be ma ya koko ko wo a oni ya koko ko wo a obebo bra oni ya koko ko wo a obetumi abobra wasiafo ne nyansa ho ye kire mo so anama begire oni mu jimi onyame hwemo. Now let me talk briefly about this thing about rented demonstrators. Martin Kpabu Jimmy Fuane say obema yen 1.5 million demonstrators. Obi say we the northern youth appreciate free education. Onyame nhyira o. Osio de say nipa we beba omo enya. Adia no usha the way ya TV3 for gina mu hey ochina the whole Ghana is coming out. Hey come here boy. Na MPP for ABO. And a Ghana for a 10 crime. Actually, NDC for say, yes, near memoir day, we know. But at least, Papa na ye person on ye bekasa no, on ye akasa. Has you be local boy and kasa. Papa na ni ye hwe nanim so on ye bekasa no, on ye bekasa. Ansa koden ye bekoye adwuma. Na yakoso aye adwuma na ya hwese ne amani be den besesa aden na menko she t-shirt emeye demonstration why no start here everybody please come out there is 65% interest that the people not want a so please come out everybody I don't have a neck but come out me ko ni na hira mo mabu ami o na de na jinsem say dey mean to me o and this phone na ma mewu why no start to cough you know sa foolish guy be friend say shady media say why me boa say ono na aye contractor a disappointed deportee he says so person with Jimmy obe organize boy somehow now oni omuni na akọ he said the Ghana babunu na nka sebe ye pese onumbom ebenya TVET free education kono sa babunu numbo evrade nyankopon pa se Ghana oh. For me, This is what I believe. Or this is what I think. Say free education. Oh, say etokoso. I'm telling you, NDC will be found wanting. They will be found very, very, very well. Okay? Ghanaians showed something small to NDC people. Now, show me. Let me tell you something. There are some people I speak with them and they tell you, oh, Bra Felix, no correct. I mean, near me more than kakra, but they compare the first now. And not the a ye kakra. Oh, just as he say, no, NDC for no do more Jiminton, I didn't enter Sakra. Almost a sanity. NDC for the more Jiminton, I didn't enter Sakra. Almost a sanity. But that doesn't mean, say, we are going to what? We are going to sit down and give our votes to NDC. One nurse friend that I have was a question to GD pass a Ghana for better about Maham. Maybe I'm the different candidates, but they are. But Maham apparently, I don't think say they will vote for Maham say on BDN because come on, I see what did the man do? I was a nurse, I couldn't get my pay. I was this, I couldn't get this. Like this man didn't do anything. Also on my yana sometimes who send Crawford Bo Mohammedia say now come Johnny Sanka by now there and come be fan name be a grumu. But I say Maham. It pains say anytime you like talk about NDC and the only option it seems they have is Mahama. And we have his hand records. We saw what he did. We even thought say Okotna opposition kakri and Kenyansa kakraba sebe. But also there be oba obe jaya ifo no galamse fo na gum no mo fa makri enko huru susuo no nse yensuo na yenuanom nko no mumba enkonya deformity. Or say I feel cry the campaign for no crown or the excavated. This is somebody who has been a president too. And his only reason for doing this, they say, ye Chinese for na ye jao. Say, you are a president too. Have you forgotten when you caught the same people? Utie, when you caught the same Chinese people, Mahama, what did you do with them? Did you also let them go? Did you give some of them long stays? In this, I can't say we no much no mujao, and now we have to where the president da. I don't get it. Papa Burger on Accra FM. Accra FM now be free a Jimmy for radio station. I say I remember I made oh, where delete it? Me. Oh, me mama try CD. Oh, nyahwe, mama try CD kura me pe. Araba na emu no say apro wewu mana pro tine try CD anyahwe. E de nyame asese wo maame wonu woni try CD ni bi no ye bodamfo. Na sebe wode ne de ato na pampam. Chema NDC for a polling station agent for they do maame. Wo mo nko an no de bibi sa beba. Ke oye jomo over we foolishly on somebody platform, especially when he's telling you the truth. Government is going to change your life. It is a lie. Government only brings policies. Government only brings policies. So it is up to you, the responsible citizenry, to tap into those policies, transform your fucking life. When Jimmy Dodo, Okoka ni eja, Okoka ni etuho ni eja. Asamu ami kensu ni na ye no kure. Sabi, chairman, kamiye na kamiya na makotro bibi na me kind NCDA. Obe o bra obua.